Well guys, what's up? I'm bringing you guys a brand new video to by the title. Because you might be asking, are you sure you're going to film this video? Well, great question. Well, obviously, guys have been wanting me to do this, but I don't know. Some of you guys have been asking. Some of you guys have been not asking. But I have decided to do this because I am going to get a RC car with a camera on top, literally. Like that, like, I don't know if you guys can't probably see. But I will get a camera, like, literally on the roof of a RC car, like, literally. And I'll use my phone, this phone right here, that I'm filming with, to actually see where it's actually going, outside. And film some more videos with it, and all that. So, hopefully if I can film with it on YouTube, just stay tuned for a video coming up on December 30th, around there, like from the 26th to the 30th. Stay tuned between there. So I'll be uploading a video pretty soon, if I can. So stay tuned for that. And the reason why I'm taking this down is because I'm not gonna get a RC car. Like, you know what I mean. I'm not gonna get a RC car that looks like this, but I will be getting a RC car with the camera on top, literally, which I will be showing you guys on December 26th, what it looks like when I get it on Christmas. So, let's get on with the video. And also, by the way, my phone is at least about 3% the last time I checked it. So if the camera just dies, then that's all the video, then that's all the footage I can get. And right now it's plugged in, as you can see. I am using my phone. So I think what I'm gonna do is I was gonna set my camera up from here and use it that way, and then film it from that way. But since, so I was gonna have my lamp over here and put it over here, but I have an idea. I'm gonna shut that door, my door, and turn on these lights up here, and I'll have more light. So, yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, okie dokie. And right now, I'm at 4%. I just checked it. So, that's another update. So if you want to see some updates of me tearing it apart, just go over to my TikTok, and you'll see some more updates. I think this is all I'm gonna film, but I'm gonna have a little bit more footage of me unscrewing the tires. I'm just gonna get the tires off first before I do any more. Or actually, no. Actually, I'm not gonna do the tires. I'm actually gonna get these things off. Which I think that's gonna be it for now. Like for me, like talking to you guys. But since my phone is not quite charged, you know what? So I do have a long charger, but it's not working. but I might be able to go use. You know what? Since that wasn't working, actually, I think that is actually a good view. You guys can't probably see. Whoa, I almost dropped you guys. You can actually see where the charger is in. See? Let's get on with the rest of the video. Oh, my charger was not. I'm gonna get my long charger and so I get some more footage for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let me see if I can fix my... Trying to fix the angle. Okay, now we got it. Okay, let's get the screws undo. Yep, got that screw. Now you guys are probably gonna ask, where are you gonna put these to keep them safe? Well, actually, me and my brother went to our church and went trick-or-treating. I think, yeah, it was Sunday. And our grandpa had bagged up some candy in here in these plastic bags. And I think that's what, and these are my 2 extra bags that I got. And I think this is what I'm going to put them in. Actually, I'm going to label them. And say, like, let's say, for this one, I'll put, like, the hood. The top hood or something like that. I mean, like, the roof. Or something like that. So you guys are probably going to ask. Like why are you taking this apart when you're gonna get a new one, a new RC car? Well, the real question is, I have, as you can see, go check out my TikTok videos where I have been taking apart my RC car, the red one. And that is actually mine. I actually took it apart because I actually don't know why I took it apart, but there was a reason why I took it apart. I think I know why. Because the back of it, I think somehow, oh wait, actually yeah. I think it was the front or the back or something like that. Something happened to it. It just, whatever, it just broke. We'll just say that, for now. Well, that's pretty much all I can say for now. I'm gonna continue on this video. And also, I forgot to say, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video. Obviously. And right now, I am literally at 18 subscribers. So that means those 18 subscribers, I would like to do a shout out to those people for subscribing to my channel. So, if you are one of those 18 people, just give yourself a round of applause. Let's just say that. No, so don't forget to comment down below what you think of this video so far. And also don't forget to share this video with all your friends and tell them to subscribe to this channel. That's what she goes. Now, the official reveal of the top of it. I'll be calling this the top of the roof. I'm gonna back this up, and that's all I'm gonna say. And this is actually part 1. If you're asking what video this is, and how many parts I'm gonna be making, since this is actually a part, like an episode, part, video, whatever you want to call it. That's actually what that is. This is actually about. So this is actually part 1. The next video will be part 2. The next video will be part 3. So stay tuned for part 2 coming up pretty much tomorrow. So get on with the videos. And stay tuned for the part 2. And part 1, which is right here. I think I'm gonna take this one off now. So let's get on with this. And part 2 will actually be part 2 of the video of this episode. Will be me taking off these tires, these 4 tires, and the springs and all that kind of stuff, and these things here. So let's get on with it. What? I'm filming a YouTube video. I'm filming a YouTube video. I'm filming a YouTube video. Yeah, right now. It's me taking apart the SD card and saving all the extra parts.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah, it's right there.
I need that.
That should be it.
I don't understand what the heck.
And also go follow him on TikTok and please friend him on Pokemon Go. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna be the video so far. This is so far. This is actually so far what I got so far. Stay tuned for part 2 coming up tomorrow. And follow him on TikTok if you haven't. And friend him on Pokemon Go. I'll leave his code in the description below. What else do you want to say to these fans? That they have been following you on TikTok and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I don't know what he wants to say, but and also do the same thing to me. Follow me on TikTok and friend me on Pokemon Go too. So I don't have more bags, but I will go downstairs and get more bags, and yeah, that'll actually be part 2 coming up pretty soon. Yeah. Yeah, that was actually part 1, so subscribe, like, and comment, and share, and yeah, follow me on my TikTok, and follow me on Instagram, and all that kind of stuff. So